If you're looking for a way to manage your business inventory, I'm going to show you this sheet so that you can stay organized. This sheet's available in Google Sheets and Excel. The great thing about this is you do not have to buy it more than once. Once you buy it, it's yours forever, so no memberships required. Let's look around and I'm going to show you how it works. Here at the top, it's going to show you the total number of units you have in stock, the total quantity available, and the total value of your inventory. What you can do is put in the material ID number, the material name, your cost, how many units per item ordered, what is your minimum order quantity, the price per unit, how many ordered, how many units are already in stock, the minimum quantity in stock, and it's going to calculate the total quantity available. You can put the status that it was low stock, and it will give you the inventory value of $75. You can put your supplier name, the order date, the expected arrival, how was it shipped, there's a tracking number involved, and then what the order status is. So this is perfect so that you can keep track of your suppliers. You can keep track of what you've purchased, tracking it to make sure it gets here on time, and what you have in stock and what you need to order. This sheet again is available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. I have lots of business sheets to help you stay organized, including an entire business bundle that has lots of things, including tracking your clients, your income and expenses, and more. So feel free to check it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.